Welcome back to Angie's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix directx error for Warzone 2.0 or Modern Warfare 2. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Call of Duty, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, fixing directx errors for Warzone 2.0 can involve several steps, alright? But don't worry because we got you. Here are some methods to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Number one is you need to ensure that you have the latest version of directx installed, and you can download it from the official Microsoft website. Just click on download, try to install to fix the problem. Alright, the next option that you need to do is make sure that you have the latest graphics card drivers for your computer. And again, you need to visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, such as AMD or Intel. Now, I am using NVIDIA, so I went here in the GeForce Experience. And once you are here, just all you have to do is click on download and install the latest drivers. Try to restart your computer to see if that works. Now, the next option is to verify the game files. Now, for battle.net, click the game in the launcher. Now, select option, and from here, click on the scan and repair. Now, I need you to do the same thing on Steam. Now, right-click on the game in your library, select properties, local files, and verify integrity of game files. Try to reload the game to see if that works. Now, the next option is try to reinstall the game as a last resort. As you can see, I am going to reinstall the game. Maybe that could, resolve the corrupted files or incorrect installations. And after doing so, I'm gonna hit on continue and try to restart my computer and try to play the game to see if that works. Now, another option is you might want to join the Call of Duty Discord server. There are like 500,000 plus members, active users and players that might help you fix the directx error for Warzone 2.0. Of course, they're more than glad to give you some troubleshooting guides and tips on how to fix it. If none of the above steps work, I need you to contact the Call of Duty customer support. Alright, and from here, click on the game option. If you get a hold of one of the support staff, tell them you're having problems fixing your directx error for Warzone 2.0. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.